Okay, for similar shape, same thing. Now the angle, the corresponding angle are the same. But are the length the same?
No.
No. But they are proportional. Now proportional means what? Proportional means the ratio is the same. Okay, the ratio is the same. Now when I say ratio is the same, let's take a look at this example here. Now just these two random triangle, example 1 just below here. Now let's say I give length 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 28.
So cannot be this one is like longer.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, never mind. This is just wrong length. But is 10 equals to 20?
No.
12 equals to 24?
No.
Then what do I mean by proportional?
Times 2. Yeah.
10 over 20 is equals to 12 over 24 is equals to 14 over 18. So the ratio is the same. Good, you are attentive. Okay. Okay, so the ratio is the same. Now, so with that, let's go on to the first one. Too easy, skip.
Skip, I write A already.
Oh, you write A already. Okay, then.
Don't waste time.
Yeah, can we don't? Okay, we don't waste time. Now let's go to the test. Again, this topic is about test. This topic is about test on the next page. Now, this test, instead of 4, now I only have 3. The first one is called AA test. Not the battery,
Double A.
not the double A, triple A. But this test, sometimes student will ask, Sure, can I write AAA? Answer is yes. Alright, so you can write AA, you can write AAA. But what's the reason I only show 2 angles? If 2 angles are the same, is the third angle the same?
Yeah.
So I don't need to show. So which means usually I only need to show 2, the third one is the same. So for example, in this triangle, I just need to show that this angle is equal to this angle. I just need to show that this angle is equal to this angle. Full stop. AA. Done. Next. Now, if I have SSS A, I thought the length are different. Why?
Ratio.
Because the ratio is the same. So I'm looking at the ratio. Now, 90% of the time you are not using this. 90%. Third one, SAS. Again, SAS stands for side angle side. So the side here means the ratio. This is the side, and we are talking about ratio is the same. Again, most of the time, 5% we are using this one.
Only 5.
So majority of the time we are using AA. Let's start.
Okay.
This is the 5%.
Oh, too fast.
Huh, too fast.
Yeah, that one broken
Okay. Okay, this is the 5% that we're talking about. Show that these two triangles are similar. How?
So can do that one.
Do I use AAA? No. SSS?
No, SAS.
SAS? No, I only have 3. SAS. Is there an angle that is the same?
Yeah, it's SS. Can you see over here? Can you see?
Are you talking about the same example?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's try SSS. SSS stands for side. So if I use AB, which one do I want to divide by?
Then
DE. Next one. AC. DF. So this is the side and side. This is the side and the side. Do I have one more side that is the same?
Yes.
Where?
CB and FC.
But I don't know what is EF.
Just right first. Yeah.
Do I know the length here?
No.
No, how to use SSS?
Can but
Okay, so therefore, SSS is wrong.
why cannot you see 4 times 2 give you 8, but then 3 times 2 give you 6, and then 2 times 2 give you 4 lah?
Yeah, but they want you to show.
Stupid.
So they didn't tell you it's similar. So you cannot tell me 2 times 2 lah. This one is 4. Wrong, cannot. So you only have SS. Then where is the A? Is that the A?
Yes.
Where?
Huh?
Given.
This?
Given.
This one.
That. So over here, then you write angle CAB equals to angle FDE given. This is the side. This is the this is the A. Okay. So I have A, I have 2 sides. Are we ready to say they are similar? Yes. Huh? So then you write. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE bracket SAS. Yeah, pause here. Okay, now for similar triangle, very important, you must be able to write down the 3 length ratio. Now let's start. Can you help me number 1, 2, 3? 1, 2. Thank you.
Not all showing me.
Showing, yes. But then the part B is explaining lah. Okay, now let's start. If I write AB, what must I write below?
DE.
DE. Second one. If I write BC,
EF.
EF. Second and third. Now last one. AC, DF. Look at the question now. They want to find which line?
EF.
EF, right? They want to find EF. I zoom in again. This is the question mark that I want. Now I want you to put a tick beside the length that you have, a cross beside the length you don't have. Do you have AB?
Yes.
Yes.
All have for except for
Do you have DE?
Yes.
BC?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, then I stop here. I stop here. Why I stop here? Because since I got the 3 of them, this one don't have, I multiply over, I change, I get the answer. But do I have AC as well?
Yep.
Yes. Do I have DF?
Yep.
Yes. So this is a very easy question. I can use any ratio I like. Next.
Let us finish first lah.
So can I have to
Example 3. Those who are done, go on to example 3.
method lah.
Yes. Cross multiply and then rearrange and then you get the answer.
You do this one ah?
Yes. Example 3. Show that they are similar. Prove. Show they are same meaning.
Yeah.
Was he proven?
No. Yes. No. Yes. Okay lah.
Can.
Can.
Wow.
Put or put. I answer Jairus' question. Do you need to put shown, proven? At first I say no because no need lah. The question is asking what. But because A max you always put shown right. Then you just put shown lah. Up to you.
I don't talk about A max already leh.
Try example 3 now, everyone.
AB is similar to
Sure, it's like that. But for the first one.
Equals to?
As in this one is it? Or is it wrong?
Wrong. Because AB over QR, fine. AB over QR. These two must be a known length. Is there a known length?
No.
No, so you don't use. Remember 90% is using what?
Right. Okay, get it.
Remember the 90% of the similarity test is using something. AA, right? Can you try and use AA and write down the answer for example 3? Is there a first pair angle that is the same?
Yeah.
Which angle is that?
QP R and APB.
Let's try.
No matter.
Angle
QPR
QPR
and APB.
QPR and APB. Are they the same?
Yeah.
Yes, but what's the reason?
They
Same angle. Cause
lie
A
common.
angle.
This is the A. Is there another one that is the same?
Yes.
Yes.
Which one?
The angle
PAB and PQR.
PAB and
PQR.
PQR. What's the reason?
for
Common man. Corresponding angle.
angle.
This is the second A. Do I need a third A?
No.
No.
It's like that on a
Like that one. Okay, like that one. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Because the two angles are the same, therefore triangle PAB.
Let's do that again.
Okay. Now, similar, whenever I want to find length, it's always using the 3 ratio. Can you write the 3 ratio? 3 ratio means something over something equals to something over something equals something over something.
Oh my god.
Don't care what they ask first, write down the 3 ratio. Kali say properly.
ABQR. PB is over
PA
Q.
and PQ equals to AB and QR equals to
EP and RP.
correct. Next, look at the one they want you to find. They want you to find what?
AQ.
Oh no,
AQ.
it's not inside here,
Okay, no.
Can.
but it is part of it, right?
Yes.
Where is it hidden?
There. The PQ.
PQ, right? That means from PQ, I can then find AQ. Does it make sense? If I can find PQ, I can find AQ.
Oh, PAAQ that one.
No leh, I know the whole thing is 14 ma. I need AQ ah.
No.
Oh, wrong. I do the wrong box. Can you tell me out of these three ratio, I want to find AQ, right? Yes? I want to find this red line. What is the length I need so that I can find this red line? I need to find AP, which means I need to find out what is this.
14 minus AP.
Because 14 minus AP will give you the AQ. Next question. Do I have PQ?
Wait.
Okay. Next question is can I tick the length I have and cross out the length I don't have?
PQ you write 14, then the right side is the AB and QR, right? That one, right? Then you sub, and then you cross multiply, and then you minus 1.
Do we have PQ? Do we have AB? Do you have QR? So you use this form. Understand? Okay. Write down the number, then you get the answer.
CZ is 5.6.
Done?
CZ is 5.6.
Is it 5.6? Is it 5.6?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Do practice for.
Yes. No.
Should I do?
Yeah, this one.
Should I do practice for?
No.
Then? Then what?
All very simple. Okay, we try one question. Question 3. What page is this?
Homework 11.
Page 11. Page 11, question 3. Sorry, I'm jumping here and there because I want to quickly cover.
Like anime voice.
Let's continue. Question 3.
So can you do AA ah, Cher?
Hey.
So can you say AA?
He drink too much.
Is it AAA?
AA.
Can you do a presentation?
No, I thought it's I. Oh, sorry. Wrong person.
So angle
Marker is saying angle CAB equals to angle.
FDE.
I don't know what to do already. You do what?
This is like this. Oh, do you put people So do you put people?
Huh? Need to write given.
Yeah.
Yeah. The first one is already written on the board. Quite.
Yes lah.
Yeah, I also can write.
Cannot A man. What? Not lah.
Cannot.
Yeah, where's the X? Correct. But then you got to put bracket given.
Oh.
X is here. X is the AC.
So it's 6 lah.
Oh, confirm.
I think so. No. What is wrong with me?
Do I use SAS? Put a bracket.
Do AA.
Then you put what's the reason? So I got a second A
So where's the X?
on the board.
Oh. Okay. Easy.
Yes.
S equal.
Can you? Oh.
X is 4. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn over to the next page. We try our last question and then we end today's lesson.
3 ah.
No. I don't know what the statement.
Question 4.
Wow, freak lah. Freak.
4.
I see. So please have to do the next.
I don't have.
They have.
S lah.
I'm also looking forward for today's SSP.
You always like that one eh.
Yeah.
Then I got tuition, I got religious
Shall we still
class.
need to study for SS mod?
Yeah,
For Friday eh. No, how many? How many?
What time start? You want me to start early? What time?
I cannot start early.
Huh?
Can we start? What time we end today?
2:30.
Huh?
2:25.
Then we start at 2:30 oh.
Can you promise me you buy some food? Eat
No.
then come up. Huh?
No need lah, we got fat.
You got.
We got fats to go to say.
Question 4. I see you 2:30.
Okay, 2:45.
2:45
Then end at 3:30. 15
Yes
minutes.
ah, please ah.
You see, we go so far, we also like how to say, we catch up with you. Let us like give in one time.
Okay, we see how it
Oh.
goes. But highly possible. Who needs the topical one? Two. Two, huh? Who brought the topical one?
Matthew,
Topical.
Matthew.
You brought the topical one?
Yeah.
Where is the winner? What should I do?
That time saya tak kembali like we asked
This one. You don't have.
I have.
Have Hey, this one.
So you say you got answer. So you say you got answer, but don't have.
This is a topical revision, huh?
So you say got answer, but don't have.
Don't have.
So this one when we bring. We bring on Monday ah.
Can you bring tomorrow?
Okay.
Bring tomorrow.
So can I do inside my book?
Yeah, you can do in the book. I'm not going to collect this, so you can do on the book. You can do.
Today you say you're gonna give us an answer.
Yeah.
Don't have.
People say don't have
Check, you check.
Okay, I go and check for answer. For answer, I give you. Have not done. How many of you have not done yet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No angle, nothing.
Haven't even start.
Haven't even start yet. Start already lah.
Yes.
Okay, let's focus in question 4.
Yes.
This one.
Question 4. Oh no, question 4 of the this. Oh yeah. What I'm giving you is what your friends are receiving.
They do already.
I know.
I have a pair of similar.
That's why I panic. Start A. We do tomorrow. We do later together.
Huh? Yeah, fail.
What do you mean by
Say
name
lah.
of pair?
E, D, C.
One name a pair of similar means which triangle is similar to which triangle?
CED and CAB.
One name a pair means got 4. Got 4 triangles.
Name a pair.
A pair of triangle, right? So 2 is the same, 2 is the same.
One is the same. What's wrong with you?
A pair of shoes is what?
Yeah, what's a pair of shoe? 4 shoe ah. You wear 4 shoe ah.
4 shoes ah. 4 legs ah. A pair of legs ah.
No, a pair of similar triangles, right?
You sure that you got 4 legs? I got 4.
Triangle CD is similar to triangle.
Ajar sikit Ajar sikit.
Check.
Oh my god.
You try the other way, right?
Today start today.
Try the other way, right?
ACB right?
What I can do is I will come out at 2:30. Once everyone is here, I start.
Huh?
So that time we all run. They all run. Then you.
Equal is wrong. Equal. Cannot write equal.
I mean, can
Cannot write equal. Cannot write congruent. Cannot write three line. Must be similar.
So you can put CDE equals to ABC.
C D E A B C.
CED.
If this is correct, you are wrong.
ACB. ACB. Sure.
Like new.
So your hand is
ACB lah.
Oh, C B A. Question mark.
C D E.
Her one is CDE, not CED.
Just C D E and A B C.
Please follow
ACB.
I heard she say CAB.
Huh? Not ACB lah.
If it's CAB, means
C D E and C B A.
Whoever got
Asal aku lain lah?
idea, see the door?
C D E and C A B. C A B.
Now don't get confused. Just draw the triangle 1, triangle 2. This is 1, this is 2. This one you put in sequence C D E. Tell me in triangle 2,
You say CDE or CED?
which one is similar? Which one is same angle as
C
C?
lah.
Second one
B
D.
B.
Third one.
A.
So if you tell me CED, it will be CAB. So this is correct. Second one, CDE, CBA, also correct. So I always use this to see whether it's correct naming or wrong naming.
Just like that, name only ah.
Like that how much ah?
State a reason. What's the reason?
Then the RHS.
No A.
Is that AA?
No.
Is it RHS?
Yes,
Oh,
A.
yeah, the vertical.
This angle is this angle A.
Oh, this one is.
This angle is this angle A.
Okay.
So you have two A's, huh?
Oh my god, Matthew!
Which you really want?
Next, what's the value of x and y?
Hey, now blame me now. Ah.
2.9 something.
X is 2.9.
No, why?
You can use Pythagoras.
So can use Pythagoras theorem.
Y is
Cannot, must use hands.
Must use
Bro,
hand.
use the ratio that one.
yes.
Must use ratio.
Yes. Now, see you see the word hence, it means you cannot use Pythagoras. You must use
Similar.
the answer on top, which is length 1 over L over L is equal to L over L is equal to L over L.
See,
Sian.
So you got the answer already?
Oh shit.
Who says that? Who's that pig?
Why was the answer?
wait, sabar.
Huh? 2.3.
Yes. 7.5.
7.5.
Wow, 2.3 ah. Okay.
Ready for the last concept?
Sabar.
Oh my god.
You see how the focus go against you.
Turn to the last page.
I don't know what I'm going to do today. Very fast.
Turn to the last page, question 5.
Calculator. I can't
I want you to draw a line there and put there for similar shapes.
Calculate. That was answer. Is that right? 2.3.
For similar shapes. I repeat. Turn.
I thought I get 2, sir.
2 got 2.
I repeat. Turn to the last page.
Last page.
Last page. Do last page first.
Turn to the last page. Write down for similar shapes. I have 2 minutes left.
Okay. Wow, that was
Write
fast.
down 2 minutes. Write down for similar shapes. For similar shapes. So this similar shape, it need not be triangle or square. It can be a small plane
Oh my god.
and a big plane.
Oh my god, so cute.
You don't have to draw a plane. It can be a small house
It's a whale.
and a big house.
That is a box.
Okay? It can be anything as long as they are similar. So common example will be a small statue
That is human.
and a big statue.
That one colour is the focus.
The big one.
Okay, now, ready? Now, what you need to know is when you compare these two shapes, they are similar, you must use the same corresponding length to compare. Now let's start. If I use
The wing and the wing.
this wing, I must use that wing, that left wing of the big one. If I use the height of the roof, I must use the big height of the roof to represent. If I use my right leg, if I use the circumference of the head, I also must use the circumference of the big head. Now,
Everybody can similar.
not really, but if I build a statue of Gyra, I must make it proportion to your head, right? Of you and the big Gyra. Now, if this is length 1, I will name this as length 2. If this is length 1, length 2. If this is length 1, length 2. So you will, now that I show you this formula, ready? A1 over A2 is equals to L1 over L2 squared. A is what? A stands for area. V1 over V2 is equals to L1 over L2 cube. That's volume. Now, how do I use this formula? For example, if I say the small area of the entire plane, the curved surface area, the area of the wing, over the big surface area is equal to taking the length of the wing over the length of the big wing, whole thing square. Can follow?
Yeah.
Same for volume. Now, last one. Can you write down last one? If, who's that? If same material slash density, then M1 over M2 is equals to L1 over L2 cube. M is the mass. This is the last topic. This itself is entire topic. But it's a very short topic. But I will use this to explain more when your N level ends, when your O level starts. I see. The 3 weeks in between.